Let's go over a week in review, okay? It's Friday as I sit here recording live, and I like to just show you the back office, talk about some things that's going on with Save Club in case you want to join as a member or an affiliate. Now, I've signed up well over 100 people already, and I have a simple technique, call it a system, couple tools. Everything I do I think is very easy and extremely cheap. So cheap and easy. That was my motto from age 18 to about 40, and now I'm about 60. So now I'm cheap and brittle. Okay, joinsaveclub.org. That's how you sign up. That's all you do. Click that, joinsaveclub.org, and I want you to fill out the information. And it's real simple. Do you want to see what it looks like? Okay, how about this? All right, joinsaveclub.org. Now look at your screen. You can see this is my website right here. It says Cory Draper's website. Now, when you join as an affiliate for $60, you're going to have this exact same web page. And there's actually 3 other ones you can use. This is my most popular one that I've signed up everybody with. And like I said, you can put your name here or your company. It's up to you. People will watch this video. It's well done. It's just a few minutes long. And it's hosted by our founder, Charles Moy. And he just talks about the opportunity and the membership side, the savings, of course, and how you can earn money as an affiliate. If you want to join or want more information, just fill this section out right here. Click the orange button, and you're going to get a badass little email from Save Club. And you can join if you'd like, or if you want more information, 1 email per day will come to you, and you can unsubscribe anytime. And that service, that email, is provided for that $60. So if somebody pre-enrolls like yourself, isn't it nice to know the company will send a nice email 1 a day for 30 days, unless that person or yourself wants to unsubscribe. Now keep these emails. They're they're just really good at talking about what the opportunity is, and they're informative. And you can use these emails if you'd like to send some information to people that are going to ask about what's going on. All right, tell me about the Save Club. How much is it? What's the compensation plan? Okay, let video do everything. I'm serious. The more you try to do it yourself, you're going to over-explain things. You're going to get a headache. And then you're not even going to want to be an affiliate. Sure, you want to be a member and save a bunch of money, but you want to earn money too. So let's make this easy. Let's make it fun, okay? Now, let's go back to Save Club. Let me just back out here. And I'm going to show you just the home page. This is where you just go to saveclub.com, put in your username and your password. Now, all these tabs, you can go over these later. Your membership, you can sign up by the month or the year. If you sign up by the year, your VIP status, you get bigger commissions. But it's up to you. Whatever your budget is, if you want to pay month to month, or if you want to pay by the year, it's up to you. Your deals, right there, boom, my deals. When you click it, this is where you can go and visit Planet Earth to see what the heck is going on. Now, I put in my zip code of 84123, and that is a Salt Lake City zip code. So everything here shows local deals, and of course, national and international deals, Delta Airlines, Lyft if I need a ride to the airport, of course, Disneyland, insurance from Progressive, there's tons of food. Guys, I think there's 60,000 things here that I can save on from products to service. So I could be here for literally 10 hours and just show you. But check this out. Look at that. Just tons of things. All right. Look at that. I'm a big fan of pizza. So if I can save $5 at Pizza Hut, why not? I can save that $5 and go buy 5 Hot Wheels at Walmart. And yes, Walmart is in the Savings Club. And you know what? So's Papa Murphy's, and so's Papa John's, and so's Burger King, and so's, what is the other one? Oh, Wendy's. I love those chocolate Frosties. Discount tire. I saved a bunch on tires. And boy, the vehicles that I have, the tires are expensive. On my Hummer alone, they're $550 each. And a couple back tires on one of my trucks is $650 for 1 tire. And if you can save money by going to Save Club like I did, you're going to freak the F out. But the only way to tell is just by joining Save Club for $19.97 a month. Do the $60. I want you so bad to be an affiliate, because right now we have thousands of people signing up a day, but not enough affiliates. So raise your hand. Come on, high five. Let's get you in the mix. Let's make you some moolah. Be nice. Okay, back to the menu here. My deals is where we were just at. My info, that's where you're going to put in your info. Order history, you can see, have you purchased like by the month or by the year. Anything you purchase is in this tab right here. Now my team, this is where I can see the information of everybody that's joining my team directly underneath me or in my big downline that I'm growing right now. Right here in the referrals too. My enroller, this is who I signed up underneath. The leaderboard, you can see I'm doing pretty good right now. Let's see, I'm number 7. I got 103 people just directly signed up underneath me. I have no doubt I'll be in the top 5 probably in the next 30 days. I just do one thing at a time. I invite people to click a link to watch a video. What is that link? Well, let me show you. joinsaveclub.org. That's all I do. And then a video takes over from there. So keep things simple. Now, when you go to my websites, check this out. If you send people to your link right here, this just talks about the membership of Save Club. But if you want to earn money, then do this. Go to the Powerline landing pages. You can see there's 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. The one that I use to sign up a bunch of people is just the first one right here. My second favorite one is this one here with the pretty lady looking at her phone. This one is considered page 3. I think both of them are awesome. Just invite people to these links. People click them and they watch the video and you're done. Nothing left to do. And remember, those 4 videos are right here in the website tab. Now, training is awesome. If you're going to join, you need to know what you're doing. Watch a short video. It's only 1 minute. You only watch it one time. Go to marketing materials. When you click this orange button, do you realize we have thousands of pictures and hundreds of videos you can use right now? For that $60, they're right there for you, just waiting. So make sure you go to the marketing materials. And also there's training how to upload videos and content to the biggest social media platforms. Okay, TikTok, Facebook, Threads, Twitter, also known as X. All right. Craigslist, how to email effectively, how to go to Facebook and find groups. All of the training is right behind this little orange button. So how do you get it? Remember, log into saveclub.com, go to the training tab, and hit that little orange button. Now, the compensation plan, boom, it's right here. We kind of spelled it wrong on the orange button. But when you click it, you can print out a nice PDA. And if you just want to look at it, highlight it with some yellow, it's up to you. But I never explain the compensation plan. I send people to the video. How do I do that? Because every day someone goes, well, what's the compensation plan? I like saving money, but how do I get paid too if I want to be an affiliate? Well, this is what I do. Okay, log in, go to the training tab, go to this video right here and hit that orange button, or red button, I'm sorry. It's a YouTube video, you can tell. Hit the share button right here, and it highlights this yellow link. Oh, God, blue. I looked at my yellow hat. I'm messed up. It's a blue link. So go ahead, right-click it, click share, copy, and then you can share it. But don't try to talk about the comp plan. This is an official video by Save Club. It explains it. And if people don't understand what it is, they can watch it 3-4 times, 5 times, 100 times. It's up to you, okay? But don't try to talk about the comp plan. You will bore yourself, your brain, and everyone you're trying to recruit to death. Don't do that, okay? How do you use my deals? You can also do the same thing if you want to click that little button there. Hit the share button again, and that blue link is highlighted up there. Just right-click it, hit copy, and rock and roll, guys. So you can teach people how to save money by going to the My Deals tab. And, of course, there's a compensation plan. There's tons of marketing materials. And one of the best parts about Save Club is we know, and they know, and you probably know that you're going to get burned out and run out of things to post. That's why we have thousands of pictures and animated little graphs and cool things to get your attention. And I think video is the most effective. That's why I do so many videos just like this one you're watching. But we have hundreds and hundreds and soon thousands of videos ready for you. All you got to do is open up that orange marketing materials button, and you can right click and save all the videos and the pictures on your home computer, laptop, even on your cell phone. Or you can just log in, obviously, and download them from there, and then upload them into TikTok, Facebook, I think Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, those are the big three. If you just do those three alone, no one knows about Save Club. Everyone wants to save money. Tons of people, thousands a day, are signing up to be members. But when it comes to affiliates, you can only sign up under an affiliate. So if you have that 60 bucks, those three $20 bills, let's get you going. I'll do everything I can to help you. Okay, let me show you my link one more time. And here's my contact info. And I don't mind if you get a hold of me. You're not bugging me. If I'm busy, I get time. I'll write you back. Joinsaveclub.org. That's how you join. And Cory at CoryDraper.com. You can see I have my, I guess you'd call it my email address. Even if you're not in my group, don't worry about it. If you have a question, I like to see what's on your mind because I'll make a video about it and send it to all of my group. All right, the more questions you ask, the better. That means you're going to take this serious, kick some butt. So let's just go over some stuff. It's $60 to be an affiliate. And then, you got it? You ready? $19.97 to be a member. So for 79 bucks and 97 pennies, you can climb aboard. And it is a darn good thing to climb aboard. We are a cruise ship hauling ass with the best food, the best sunshine, and a badass pool. We're going places. Guys, as I look at my computer, we're only 20 days old. Today is June 20th. We kicked off this endeavor June 1st of 2025. So in 20 days, we've signed up thousands and thousands of people. And right now, we need affiliates. We need people like you to just go ahead and spread the word about this awesome opportunity. This is like Groupon, Priceline, Orbitz, except international, and there's an affiliate division where you can get paid instead of Kim Kardashian and her family, in sports figures, in supermodels, and actors, and people that are influencers, lighting farts on YouTube. It's time you get paid. I'm getting paid. I've saved up well over 900 bucks over the first month and a half, just on savings. Over 900. I've made well over $5,000 cash, and on top of that, with my new funnel system, that's put $1,200 aside from the cash from Save Club into my pocket. And that comes every month because it's recurring. Okay, so ask me about that if you'd like to. Cory at CoryDraper.com. The new funnel's awesome. This opportunity's awesome. And I think you're pretty darn awesome too for putting up with me. So go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's the best thing. Okay, just subscribe and you can watch my videos. Hit that little button and you can see every time I upload a video. And that's all you got to do. So, all right, guys, thanks again for your time. I'm glad you're looking into this opportunity. It kicks ass. I think you're going to like what you get yourself into here. It's very cheap, very affordable. And yes, you can get paid. Okay, take care, guys. Have a good one. Bye.